9000, Qantas 455.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing today, would you please now make sure that all of your hand luggage is securely stowed under the seat in front of you or into the overhead locker. Your seat back will need to be upright, your tray table stowed, your window shade open and your seatbelt fastened. A reminder, electronic devices must now be switched on. Thank you.
Tower, Qantas 455.
Qantas 455 Tower. Qantas 460 Tower, traffic 3 mile final, runway 16 cleared for immediate takeoff.
16 clear for immediate takeoff, Qantas 460.
Wind 160 degrees, 20 knots, runway 16 clear to land.
Runway 16 clear to land, Qantas 455.